Hi friends, Mark here. Today I'm excited to share a fantastic find, a 42-inch TV that's just right for bedrooms, dorms, or any cozy living space. This is the Insignia 42-inch Class F20 Series LED Full HD Smart Fire TV, model NS42F201NA23. And the best news, right now it's just $139.99. That's an amazing value for a TV this size with so many great features. In this video, I'll walk you through everything this TV offers and why it could be a wonderful addition to your home. We'll go over the basics, highlight some cool features, and chat about a few things you might want to think about before making your decision. By the end, you'll have a clear idea if this Insignia TV is the right match for you. Let's jump in. Before we jump into all the details, let's take a moment to chat about Insignia. You might be surprised to learn that Insignia is actually a Best Buy brand, so you know you're getting something they're happy to put their name behind. Insignia TVs are known for their reliable quality and wallet-friendly prices, and this model is a great example of that. The Insignia NS42F201NA23 is a favorite for anyone looking for a budget-friendly TV that still has plenty of great features. It's got everything you need to kick back and enjoy your favorite shows, movies, or even a fun gaming night without spending a fortune. Let's see what makes this TV special. The Insignia TV features a 42-inch screen, which is just the right size for most spaces. It's perfect for movie nights with friends or family, and it fits comfortably without taking over your room. The LED screen brings out bright, vivid colors, so everything you watch looks lively and engaging. And here's where it gets even better, the Smart Fire TV features. With Amazon's Fire TV platform built in, you have all the smart TV perks right at your fingertips. That means easy access to streaming apps, handy voice controls, and so much more. We'll explore those features together in just a moment. Let's take a moment to chat about picture quality. With this Insignia TV you get full HD resolution, also known as 1080p. That simply means you'll enjoy a wonderfully clear picture full of sharp details. Whether you're into exciting action movies or relaxing with a beautiful nature documentary, everything looks fantastic and detailed. Plus, there's lots of full HD content on your favorite streaming services, so you'll always have something great to watch. Now let's take a look at the smart features that make this TV so much fun. With Fire TV built right in, the Insignia makes enjoying your favorite shows and movies super simple. It's like having an entire entertainment center, all in one place. You'll have easy access to all your favorite streaming services, like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Hulu, Disney Plus, and so many more. No extra gadgets needed. Just connect to Wi-Fi, sign into your accounts, and you're all set. It's really that simple. And here's something even more exciting. With Fire TV, you can explore a world of free content through apps like YouTube, Pluto TV, and Tubi. Enjoy news, sports, movies, and even live channels, all at no extra cost. If you're an Amazon Prime member, there are even more wonderful benefits waiting for you. You'll have access to Prime Video's fantastic library of movies and TV shows, and you can listen to your favorite tunes with Amazon Music. Plus, the handy voice remote lets you control everything just by speaking. Simply press the microphone button and tell Fire TV what you'd like to watch. It's that easy. You might be wondering, this all sounds pretty amazing, so is there a catch? Honestly, for the price, there really isn't anything major to worry about with this TV. Still, there are just a couple of things you might want to keep in mind. First, the sound quality is perfectly fine for everyday use, but it might not wow you if you're really into audio. So, if you love great sound, you might want to add a soundbar for an even better experience. Also, while the Fire TV platform is super easy to use, it may not have quite as many options as some other smart TV systems. So, you might notice a few apps missing here and there, but most favorites are still available. Honestly, at just $139.99, this Insignia TV is a fantastic deal. You get a spacious 42-inch full HD screen, plus all the smart features you'd expect with Fire TV, and the reassurance of a trusted brand like Insignia. It's a wonderful choice for anyone who wants a quality TV without breaking the bank. Maybe you're a student looking for something budget-friendly, or you'd love a second TV for your bedroom, or perhaps you just want a reliable TV at a great price. This Insignia TV is definitely a smart option to check out. And that's a wrap, friends. The Insignia 42-inch Class F20 Series LED Full HD SmartFire TV truly offers fantastic value for its price. It's a wonderful choice for anyone who wants great features without stretching their budget. If you're in the market for a new TV, I definitely suggest giving this one a look. With a customer rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars from more than 3,555 reviews, you can feel confident you're choosing something reliable. If you're interested, you can find it at Best Buy or on their website. Thanks so much for joining me. Happy watching.